Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm back again with another hair video. I know it's been a while since I've done a hair video and I do apologize, I've just been very busy. So today we're going to deep condition my hair. As you can tell, I have been so bad to my hair. My hair is dry. So I haven't been the best. I've got a confession. I haven't been like deep conditioning my hair, hot oil treatment. I've been doing that. I've just been too lazy. But now my hair is suffering major. Like my ends are thinning a bit. So I think it's time to do some proper damage control. So today I'm going to show you guys how I deep condition my way. This may not work for everybody, but this is just what I use, what products I have at home. So hopefully it helps. So right now I'm about to jump in the shower. I've just taken my hair out of my twist that I wear literally every day. So I'm about to shower and shampoo my hair. This is a shampoo that I'll be using, the Garnier Ultimate Blend, silicone free guys, silicone free, the Wholesome Nourisher. It's the coconut milk and macadamia one. So this is the one I'll be using to wash my hair. Right, so I'm going to wash my hair really quickly and then I'm going to come back to you guys when my hair is all nice and clean and I'm going to show you what concoction, whatever, what I'm going to mix together in order to do my hair. Right, let's get into this video.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
So guys, I just finished washing my hair and this is the result. Obviously the shrinkage is real, like you can tell my hair has shrunk. You can tell my curl pattern is not that defined at the moment. If you look at it, can you see that? It looks a bit crusty. That's because there's nothing in my hair, but we're about to fix that problem and give it some moisture, some love and attention. So I've got my crazy concoction in here ready. And I have some little clips ready to section my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back and just section my hair because I'm going to work in sections. So I'm just going to finger detangle and no combs. I'm going through this phase at the moment. I'm trying to use little combs as possible because I feel like it's just ripping out my hair because I haven't been taking care of it. But anyway. So already you can tell that my curl pattern is starting to come out a bit more just by putting the conditioner in my hair. So what I'm going to do is, after I finish the section, I'm just going to twist it. Drip, drop, drip, drip, drippy drop, drip, drop. So after I've twisted this one, I'm just going to do the rest of my hair and just repeat the same process. Just section it off, put the conditioner in and twist it up. Yeah. So the last step is, okay, I know it's 2018, I should probably invest in like a shower cap, but listen, I just can't be bothered. So I'm just going to use a bag. So I'm just going to put this on my head and just tie it up so like heat is created in my head and it can seep into my little hair strands. Make sure all the air is out. And I'm going to take a clip and just clip it up. Okay, and that's it. So I think I'm going to leave this in for like maybe close to 2 hours. I'm just going to go make some dinner. I'm going to start editing this video, and then I'll come back to you guys once it's been like 2 or so hours and show you the results. So it's been about an hour and a half. So I cooked my dinner, I've started editing this video, I cleaned a bit. So I'm going to take off my little plastic baggie and show you guys what my hair looks like. Yum. So I'm going to undo them so you guys can see what my hair is looking like. Oh, wow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my hair is looking so much more better, like my curl pattern. I don't know if you guys can see that. And my roots are looking, Can you see that? I'm just going to take them all out so you guys can see exactly what I'm working with. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to quickly rinse this out and then come back to you guys and show you the final result. So guys, I've just rinsed the conditioner out. Oh my god, my hair feels so much soft. Can you see like the spring back in my hair? Yeah, so basically what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to complete my actual hair care routine that I've already filmed before, my wash day routine. I'm just going to go in with my Cantu leave-in shea butter and like flat twist my hair ready for bed because it's getting late now. And then yeah, that's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it helped you guys on how to deep condition your hair or how I deep condition my hair. If it was totally useless advice, I apologize, but this is just how I do my hair and it's working for me. I just need to be more consistent and not be lazy. That's the only issue. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more hair care videos, let me know. Write it down below. Give me a like, give me a subscribe. Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.